Hey, set the cozy scene. Hey guys, the Brad Lloyd, and I am so excited because I just got my fireplace to be HomeKit enabled. This is something I've wanted to do for so long, and I honestly didn't know if I'd ever be able to do it or not. I have a gas fireplace and it's controlled using this infrared remote control, and it's the only way to control it. I don't have any wall switches. I really wanted a way that I could do this in Siri and incorporate it into some of the scenes that I have set up. I wasn't sure where to start, so I put my question into a Facebook HomeKit group. This is a great way to get suggestions and advice from other HomeKit users. One suggestion that I got was an infrared blaster with a homebridge. And I also saw this video that was recommended to me where somebody used a 5-volt relay switch with a HomeKit enabled smart outlet. And that's the option that I went with. I wasn't sure if this option was going to work or not because in the video I saw, the person controlled their fireplace using a wall switch, not an infrared remote control. I bought the 5-volt relay switch for only $25 on Amazon, and I used a Wemo smart outlet that I already owned. Let's take a look at how I got this done. So just yesterday I ordered the 5-volt relay switch and came today. So this is it. This is it. So it comes with this little cord, a bunch of wires, and there's an adhesive on here. Hopefully we figure out what we need to do with this. And a little charging brick. Okay, and I'm gonna couple that with a Wemo. Is this gonna work? I don't know, but let's try it out. Okay, so this is actually take 2. I had to reorder one of these switches because the last one that I received just wasn't working, it wasn't lighting up. So when you plug this in, there's actually a red LED button that will turn on, and it just wasn't coming on. So I got the replacement today, which is great because I just ordered it yesterday, so it came the next day. Let's see if this works. Now it's minus 18 degrees Celsius today, so it is super cold. Hey, what's minus 18 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit?
Minus 18 degrees Celsius is minus 0.4 degrees Fahrenheit.
It's cold. So I don't know how well you can see all of this, but there is, my outlet is over here. And what I want to do is I want to install the switch where this infrared receiver comes out. So I can pull this out just a little bit. And you'll see here there's a couple of wires. So basically what I want to do is disconnect these and attach them to the switch. Okay, and then the switch is going to be plugged in and I'll connect it to the smart outlet, and hopefully just by turning the outlet on or off, then we can get the fireplace to turn on. So let's see if this works. Now I'm just going to start by unplugging these so I don't kill myself. So I'll make sure I show the instructions that were on Amazon, and basically in this case all I need to do is disconnect these connections here, and then I'm going to use the 2 male connectors. So here's the 2 male connectors, so in theory they will attach to these guys. So let's see if that works. They're in there pretty tight. Okay, so now let's just try to reconnect these guys. Make sure it's in there nice and tight. All right, perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna try to plug in, I think this one here, this cord is the blower motor. So let's plug that in. Okay, so you can see I have a couple of problems here. If you look at where the outlet is, compared to the bottom of the fireplace. And here's the Wemo remote that I am using, not the remote, the Wemo outlet. So that isn't gonna fit so well. Problem number 2, this is a 2-prong outlet, and this is a 3-prong outlet. So that's a problem. Now, I was able to pick this up at a local hardware store for $3.49. Okay, so let's use that. Okay, so what I've done is just taken an extension cord here. The smaller you have, I would say the better in this case. Okay, and then what I can do is plug this in. Okay, and I'm gonna try and tuck this all in so it's sort of neat. I can make it look nicer in a minute. Okay, I've got the Wemo plugged in here. You can see the Wemo, and here's the switch that I just installed, and everything's tucked in there nicely and safely. So now I'm gonna go put the cover back on it, and then we can go ahead and set it up in HomeKit. So I'm in HomeKit in the great room, and I've set my Wemo up and I've labeled it Fireplace. So let's turn it on and see if it works. Oh my God, I got my fireplace to work in HomeKit. Okay, keep in mind, every fireplace is gonna be a little bit different. If you're not comfortable with wiring, then do seek professional assistance. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my videos where I go over Apple products with a focus on HomeKit. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. I'm just gonna go step away and relax by the fire.